Lymph node examination. Lymph nodes are ovoid or bean-shaped nodular lymphoid organs. They range from size 0.2 to 2 centimeters. Around 300 lymph nodes are located in head and neck region. Lymph nodes play an important role in defense mechanism by filtering bacteria and toxins. Lymph nodes of head and neck region are submental, submandibular, preauricular, postauricular, occipital, anterior cervical and superficial cervical. Lymph nodes can be examined by inspection and palpation. In the inspection, the number of lymph nodes can be checked, whether single or multiple, and position of lymph nodes should be noted. In the palpation, the number of lymph nodes and local rise in temperature and tenderness can be confirmed. An enlargement lymph node should be carefully palpated with palmar aspects of 3 fingers. While rolling the fingers against the swelling, slight pressure should be maintained. The consistency of lymph nodes can be soft, elastic and rubbery, which can be firm, stony, mottled also. The fixity due to surrounding structures. Enlarged lymph nodes should be carefully palpated if they are fixed to underlying structures or not. Coming to method of palpation, preauricular lymph nodes. They are palpated anterior to the tragus of the ear. Posterior auricular lymph nodes. They are palpated behind the ear or mastoid process. Occipital lymph nodes. They are palpated at the base or lower border of the skull. Submental nodes. They are palpated under the chin. The clinician can stand behind the patient to palpate. The patient is instructed to bend her neck slightly forward so that the muscles and fascia in the region are relaxed. Fingers of both hands can be placed just below the chin under the lower border of the mandible, and lymph nodes should be tried to cupped with the fingers. Coming to submandibular nodes, they are palpated at the lower border of the mandible, approximately at the angle of the mandible. Patient is instructed to passively flex the neck towards the side that is being examined. This helps to relax the muscles and fascia of neck, thereby allowing easy examination. Palmar aspect of fingers is pushed onto the soft tissue below the mandible near the midline. Clinicians should then move the fingers laterally to draw the nodes outward and trap them against lower border of the mandible.